Welcome to Innovave X channel. I will show how to convert PDF file into Excel in 1 minute. Open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Go to website ilovepdf.com. Select PDF to Excel option. Click on Select PDF file and select the PDF file to be converted to Excel. Click on Convert to Excel. Click on Download Excel. Open downloaded Excel file. Your PDF file is now converted to Excel in 1 minute. I hope this video made your work easy. If you loved this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.